Welcome to the Sales Dashboard, Profit and Revenue. This interactive Power BI dashboard provides a comprehensive view of an organization's sales performance, revenue generation, cost of goods sold, and overall profitability. Designed for business leaders, finance teams, and management stakeholders, the dashboard transforms financial transaction data into meaningful insights that support faster and more informed decision-making. This dashboard is integrated with Microsoft Dynamics 365 Finance and Operations, D365 F&O. The dashboard utilizes voucher transaction data from the General Ledger General Journal module to deliver accurate and up-to-date financial analysis. You can see the top of the dashboard, presenting key KPI cards which shows total revenue, cost of goods sold and the overall profit or loss summary. These KPIs enabling the users to instantly assess and identify the business performance. The dashboard also features interactive visualizations that allow users to analyze revenue and profit loss by product, evaluate quarter-wise profitability trends, and monitor monthly product performance. With just a few clicks, users can identify top-performing products, uncover loss-making items, and explore financial trends across different periods. To make analysis even more flexible, the dashboard includes dynamic filters for company ID, item group, product, month, and date range. Every selection automatically updates all visuals on the page, enabling seamless cross-filtering and deeper exploration of business data. Whether you want to monitor profitability, compare quarterly performance, analyze product contributions, or track monthly revenue trends, the Sales Dashboard provides a centralized and user-friendly platform for financial analysis and strategic planning. The dashboard helps organizations monitor financial health, optimize product performance, support strategic planning, and make data-driven decisions with confidence. By reducing manual reporting efforts and providing actionable insights, it empowers business leaders to respond quickly to changing market and operational conditions. Thank you for taking the time to explore the interactive Sales Dashboard, Profit and Revenue. We hope this dashboard serves as a valuable tool for enhancing financial analysis, improving profitability management, and driving better business outcomes.